Hey guys, what's up? This is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. Welcome to yet another journey of my Binbot Pro trading progress. So basically, if you guys have not followed me, this is a continuation or a part of my story about me trading Binbot Pro, where I started off with $500 and I kept trading and using this trading software to actually grow my account. So right now, you probably can see my balance right in front of your screen right now over here, and if you guys were my subscriber, and you guys will surely be wondering how come my balance is $15,000 when my previous episode was sitting at about over $25,000. Well, the reason is this. One, it actually grew a little bit because on the 10th I've actually traded and hit my target. So in fact, my target was to get a balance of about $30,000, and then I went on proceeding to make a withdrawal, which was approved. So I'm really excited to receive my next huge portion of profit, where, as you can see, I deposited $500 in the beginning of my journey back in June 2018. And my first withdrawal was July 13, and then now my next withdrawal is August 13. So a huge profit from a $500 a month. If this is the first time you're watching and you're wondering like this is an easy process and stuff like that, well, the truth is, in the beginning, if you guys want to check out what my balance growth looked like, so in the beginning, I actually started off with 500, and then I lose about 50% of my balance actually, and then I went on figuring out how to actually win efficiently through the Binbot Pro trading software. So I figured that I should create my own robot with my own particular settings and test it. So after creating my robot, I've tested my settings out throughout this flat line segment over here, as you can see, and further improving it as I trade along the way. And then I've actually implemented and shared my own methods before in my own YouTube channels, and lastly, I've actually figured out great improvement that actually grew my account from about 11,000 to all the way to 30,000, and hence why this episode is actually about me making a withdrawal of my 15,000 after hitting my target of $30,000. So it is all really good news. But if you guys are interested in looking for a software that can actually help you trade or make decision in your trading, like currency pairs, so you guys should totally check this Binbot Pro trading software out. But as you guys would have noticed from my historical data on my balance, you know that it wasn't smooth. So and hence I do recommend you to subscribe to my channel to keep track and also enjoy the information or the findings that I've actually found trading with Binbot Pro, so you guys can actually increase your chances of winning. And also, I'm actually offering my trading methods to subscribers that actually sign up Binbot Pro using my link in this description box or in the comment box below. So if you guys are interested to actually use the same method that I used that actually grew my account, do drop me an email at these contact details you see on your screen, and also hit me up on Skype and tell me what's your situation about, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. Alright, so moving on. By the way, this video is actually more useful for new subscribers or people that hasn't actually gained access to my methods of using the Binbot Pro. So basically, if you guys want to have a glimpse of what my method is about, especially on, like, let's say, like what's my initial experience like using Binbot Pro, where a lot of people actually do experience the same, where they find that using Binbot Pro is a little bit hard and it's not as easy as it looked, and because there are actually rooms to improve that can increase your chances of winning. It's like Binbot Pro does need a little bit of intervention, unfortunately to say, that it does need the human intervention of a little bit of user's guidance for it to do its job, like in a really fantastic manner. Like, so if you guys would like to find out what my journey was like using the Binbot Pro, you guys can actually start from the first one, which is when I first used Binbot Pro. You can watch the first episode with the thumbnail over here in front of your screen, and then afterwards, and if you guys want to find out like more on what can you do to actually help Binbot Pro to make a really good decision in your trades, you should watch my previous episode instead. So there I actually demonstrated my trading methods. Of course, I did not share my settings and PDF guides in that video itself because it may change in the future, and also it is exclusively for the subscribers that sign up using my Binbot Pro link. Alright, so anyway, this is just a small update video for you guys. So for subscribers that have been trading my methods, I've been receiving quite a few positive feedback, especially those that have been executing the method very well. Of course, not every day you get like a really fantastic trading day, but it is good to hear that it is still in essence like positive overall throughout their whole trading growth. So that is encouraging indeed. And for this week, I will continue to run the method and also gather more data and to make sure that it is still working well and in the current market. And if there's a need to actually further improve, of course I will improve. And to find out whether is there any signs of any weakness or a slight decline in performance, then I will actually inform you guys to actually pause the method for a little bit until I sort this out. Alright, so but as of right now, it's working very great for many people as well. I like to wish good luck in this video to those that's been following my methods, and also for new viewers or people that's just subscribed, or as well as people that just came across this video and has interest in trading Binbot Pro. You guys can find out more by contacting me on Skype or on my email. The details is on your screen right now, so do make sure you hit me up and say hello or something like that, and do chat with me about your situation, and then we'll discuss like whether Binbot Pro is a true fit for you or not. And if it's not, we probably can talk about some other alternatives. Alright, so that's all guys for this episode. I know it's a very short episode, so hope you guys can benefit from my past videos and also my current method. Alright, so good luck and trade safe guys.